In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to install Steam. Let's hop into this tutorial by going to your browser. Next, search Steam Download, and then make sure that you open the official Steam download website. Open this website, steampower.com. In here, simply click the Install Steam button and wait for it to finish downloading the executable file. Once finished, simply click on it, then click Yes in the pop-up. After that, it will show the Steam setup. Simply click on Next. Then select your preferred language. For now, let's choose English. Then let's click Next again. After that, select the destination folder where the Steam will be downloaded. Now let's just leave it in default. Click the Install button. When it's done installing, it will automatically add a shortcut of Steam on your desktop. Click the Finish button below. Then it will start to download the update of Steam. Simply wait for it to finish. Once it is finished, then you can create new account, or you can log in to an existing account if you have one. After that, then now you can use the Steam and download the games that you want. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.